add a clock to the home screen or customize the clock on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26 device. By default, you may not see a clock widget on your Samsung home screen. But if you want to add an analog clock, digital clock, or even a world clock, here's how you can do it. First, press and hold on an empty space on the home screen. Now tap on Widgets at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and look for the clock option, then tap on it. Here you'll find different clock styles, including analog clocks, digital clocks, dual clocks, and world clocks for different countries and cities. Choose the clock style you want to use on your Samsung device. For this example, we'll select the analog clock. Tap on the clock widget, then tap Add to place it on your home screen. That's it! You can now see the clock widget on your Samsung home screen. You can also customize the clock widget. Just long press on the clock and tap on Settings. From here, you can enable or disable the clock background, adjust the background transparency, change the colors to match your wallpaper or theme, and change the clock shape. Tap Save to apply changes. You can also resize the widget. Long press the clock, then drag the edges or slider to increase or decrease the size of the clock. To move the clock, simply long press it and drag it anywhere on the home screen. And if you want to remove the clock widget, just long press it and tap Remove to delete it from the home screen. So that's how you can easily add and customize clock widgets on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or any latest Samsung Galaxy device.